Today in this video we will talk how to change page color and theme color in AutoCAD. First of all we will discuss about change page color. For this we have to right click in mouse and go to the options, or simple we have type options or command also. We go there and in this we go to display, and after that we have to click colors, display file tabs. Under the display file tabs colors we click there and we go there. We can make any types of color in this. Mostly we use white or black color. So if we use white color and apply in close, then the system is all look like this. And we also make this ribbon area light color, white color. For this we have to go to color theme and click right and apply. Then all those things become light. We can take our, that's not look good for me. Some people use this also. Some people use black. I personally prefer black over this for myself. So I again go to the options and click dark, apply, and go to the color and go there. Let's see what happen if we apply green. There. If we apply cyan, if we apply green, if we apply yellow, if we apply magenta, that kind of things will happen. So personally we use black. That look good.